morning, guys. Welcome to today's vlog. I officially have like all of my whole setup. Here is my camera bag. So in here has like tripods, memory cards, batteries, chargers, my big camera. It has everything. So I am like ready to go. I have all of my stuff found, charged, put together, or replace stuff that broke. So we are good to go to start vlogging. I do want to start trying to get Dwight to vlog a little bit more with me. I just think it would be fun to look back on these one day. So yeah, I just got ready. I'm gonna film an updated get ready with me pretty soon, but for now I didn't because I was just trying to get everything ready. But yeah, right now I'm driving my sister-in-law's car, so I'm taking it back to her today. We're swapping up my car. My gear shifter is like stuck or broke or won't catch, or I don't really know what's wrong with my car. But it's at my parents' house because it won't go in gear, so we can't go anywhere in it. So I've been driving this because they're out of town, but they're back. So I'm going to go over there and give her car back and get another car. My dad's a mechanic, if you guys don't know, so when people like don't want to fix their cars, more than likely he will just buy them for a really, really cheap price and then fix them, and he either sells them or he keeps them as spares. So we do have like some spare cars. My brother's going to drive the little car because it's harder for me to carry the dogs around and stuff in it, and I'm going to drive his car, which is just like a smaller SUV. So that is the plan. I'm going to get some breakfast, and I don't know what else we're going to do today. I wanted to do some kind of like photo shoot, but I don't know if that will happen today or not. So if Dwight can get home before it gets rainy, then I'll do it, or I might go try to do it myself. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we'll see. Hey guys, sorry for the bad lighting, but I am at home now. I am fixing to start editing some more videos. The dogs are playing. Dwight is taking a nap, and then we're going to redo my office again tonight because it's just not working the way I wanted it to. And I got a bunch of new lighting and stuff for Christmas, so I want to redo it. So I'm going to share that with you guys. But yeah, other than that, we're just hanging out for a little bit. But I will vlog when we get ready to do the office. Anytime. Guys, so I know I just filmed this in a vlog, but I wanted to put it into this vlog to show you guys. Me and Dwight worked on my office all last night, and I think we finally got it to a good place that's very logical and easier to manage and use. So as you guys know, I do still makeup, so I do a lot of live videos as well as do makeup videos on here. So I do a lot of filming as far as like hauls and stuff anyway, so I wanted like a filming and beauty area, but then I also make t-shirts and decals and stickers and all kinds of other stuff. So then I needed like an office space as far as that equipment and my computers and stuff like that. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys the new updated office area, and I think it's gonna stay like this. I really like it a lot, so I wanted to show you guys. This is what you see. So this is just an extra chair with extra shirts and stuff that I'm going to make in it. And I just have a bunch of boxes that I kept for when I need to ship stuff out. And then I hung up my working mats on the wall. I found that to be the best option as far as not getting them too dirty and whatnot. And then I have all of my craft stuff in this little cabinet thing, as well as the heat press and iron and everything like that. And then I left this desk area here with the Cricut and my computers on it, and then as well as like printing and more shipping and stuff. And then I have this light here that I use when we're working on the Cricut so that you can see better. And then just like tripods and extra lighting and stuff like that here. And then you get over to my favorite spot, which is the beauty corner. So I ordered a backdrop that I'm going to hang here because I film from this side, as you can see. So my sister got me this mirror for Christmas, and then my mother-in-law got me a new ring light, and then that mirror is lighted as well from my mother-in-law. And then I just have, that ring light went out, so I still use the stand for your phone. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I just have, I just have like this little cute area on top with some of my makeup in it, and then the rest is stuff down there. As well as when you're sitting over here, this is what it looks like. And then here's like all my other makeup and paperwork and office stuff as well. So I really love how this turned out. I think this is a lot better, and I did just film a video for you guys, so you will see. Like I said, I can't wait for the backdrop to get here. It's going to be here in like 2 days, so I'm so excited about that. And then right here we just have like our Wi-Fi and stuff, and there's a bunch of trash over here that we got to take out, but it's been raining and we did it late last night. So yeah, I am loving how this turned out. I also think it helped open up the room for if we have guests, extra guests and sleepovers, and we can put like an air mattress here, and it'll be the perfect amount of space. So yeah, this is just kind of like an overview. I love it. Good official morning, guys. I know I just showed you guys the office tour, but now I'm on my way to work. Today's Friday, and I'm headed back to work after being off for almost a week for Christmas. So we work tomorrow and today and tomorrow, and then we're off Tuesday, and then we go back to work on Wednesday. I also have a doctor's appointment on Wednesday, which is super exciting. But yeah, it's just kind of sluggish after being off and just enjoying Christmas and stuff. It's like I just want to stay home, and Dwight's off until next Wednesday or Thursday, so it's like I just want to stay home with him. But oh well, gotta work, so not working from home yet, but maybe one day. So yeah, I'm gonna stop and get breakfast. I need to pick up my car. My dad said it was done, so if I have time, I'm gonna do that, but if not, I'll just have to do it on my way home. So yeah, luckily it was a pretty simple fix and nothing like, you know, the transmission went out or anything like that. Because I am planning to get a new car, but it's not going to be for a few more months, so that was really scary to think like, oh my god, am I going to have to get a new car now? Luckily we all have extra cars, so we don't have to do that yet, but he did fix it, so I'm super happy and thankful about that. I'm so blessed to have him be able to work on our cars. I really don't know what I would do if he couldn't, because he is always saving us for sure. So I'm just getting my usual McDonald's breakfast, just a sausage and biscuit. It's just what I eat. I feel like it's not that unhealthy, and we're out of eggs at home. I was gonna do eggs, but I need to go to the grocery store, so that's not happening today. Hey guys, so I am home from work. I've been home for probably like an hour. I'm just taking care of the dogs, feeding them, letting them out, letting them play. I'm waiting for Dwight to get home, and we are gonna go eat and go grocery shopping. So yeah, we have no food in this house, so we're gonna go eat first and then head over to go grocery shopping. Just to get a few things that we need to last us. We really aren't home a lot, especially Dwight right now with it being duck season, so we don't need too many things. But just like the basics, I have been trying to get up earlier in the mornings, especially while dog sitting. It's just easier to get up early, get the morning started, get them taken care of, and kind of get some stuff done. And so I want to be able to like eat breakfast before I leave the house, or fix a shake, or whatever it is that I am going to be eating that day. So I want to really start like having a morning routine and waking up and having time to do things versus just getting up and rushing out the door. So yeah, that is kind of the plan. So we need to get some food because we have like nothing, like oatmeal, eggs, nothing for me to like cook for myself. So yeah, look at them, they're so cute. They can play. Get it, Bubba. Get it, Miller. Get it. Sissy making you work for it. Alright guys, let me mute this TV. Alright, so today has been a rough day when it comes to my blood sugar. I am still trying to get it back up. It was high all day long. I think my insulin was bad in my pump, so I changed it when I got home, and of course that immediately brought it back down. But it did bring it down to too low, so I had to do some adjustments. So yeah, I didn't even take my makeup off. I'm just gonna shower and whatnot in the morning. But I did want to just end this vlog, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed anything in this vlog, let me know. I haven't been doing my question of the days, but I'm going to start that as of January 1st, so please be sure to leave questions in the comments if you have any. And yeah, I am just going to bed now to hopefully feel better, and I will see you guys in the next video.